I believe that there has not been a more time to put aside the differences and unite under one cause to eliminate the plague of terror and restore peace and security in this country. Political stability and unity are the conditions for any kind of progress in this country, particularly in the security sector. Nevertheless, this does not negate the need to listen to the concerns of different parties with an inclusive approach. It appears to me that so many factors concur to favor a new political consensus that will carry Somalia forward in so many ways. Thank you very much.